According to the UN, the failure to fully value water in all its different uses lies at the heart of its political neglect and mismanagement. Yet, determining the true value of water as a natural resource is highly complex and widely recognized as an impossible task. Using London as a case study, we revisited a key infrastructure decision made approximately 2 decades ago by the capital's wastewater service provider.
There's been no shortage of rain across large parts of the country today, so it may come as a shock to hear that Britain's first water desalination plant has just opened in East London. Turning salt water into something we can drink may be common practice in the scorching heat of the Middle East, but our science correspondent Fergus Walsh has been finding out why some feel we need a plant here.
On a grey day with rain threatening along the Thames, it's hard to imagine that London could ever run short of water. But it's come close in the past. So now these giant pipes are sucking salty water from the river into Britain's first desalination plant. The brackish tidal water is filtered and purified, and then the process of desalination begins. By the time the water gets here, it's completely clean, but it's still salty. It's inside these pipes that it's turned into drinking water, enough for 1 million people every day. The salt water is forced through the tubes at high pressure. Inside are layers of fine membranes, which are pitted with holes just 1 nanometer, 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter wide. The salt molecules are too big to pass through, so they get separated from the water, which is now desalinated.
In response to a regulatory request to increase water supply, the company ultimately prioritized the development of a desalination plant over large-scale mains replacement to address systemic leakage on the basis of its cost-effectiveness, a decision that has since proven to be highly problematic. This analysis re-examines that decision and compares the natural capital value of water to its replacement cost as means for improving how water was valued in the process. Findings demonstrate that when adopting a whole water cycle perspective and incorporating the natural capital value of water into the decision-making, more sustainable outcomes emerge. Assigning such value to the water abstracted from nature, water companies and utilities can make better informed investment decisions and promote sustainable alternatives that can ultimately decouple urban water consumption from the depletion and pollution of water resources.